Good afternoon. First of all, thank you very much to Rotary District 3060 and everyone involved in inviting me this afternoon to meet with you, speak to you, and celebrate Zindagi. Zindagi, celebrating. Examples, hypothecated situations, assumptions, perceptions से बेहतर है खुद की जिंदगी. मुझे लगा जो जिंदगी मैं सेलिब्रेट कर रहा हूं, जिसका कि एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल आपने इस वीडियो में देखा. The first Indian commercial cinema actor to make a transition from Bollywood to Hollywood, to make a mud path between India, Bollywood, and Hollywood. And today, I'm very happy and proud of the fact that mud path is being cemented and followed by my wonderful colleagues, whether it is Irfan Khan, Priyanka Chopra, Anil Kapoor, Anupam Kher, Amitabh Bachchan, and various other wonderful actors. Today, I have the great pleasure of being the very first Indian actor to be working in a Polish film, in a Malaysian film, Iranian film, and also have had the opportunity to work in French film, German film, Italian film, British film, Canadian films. And at a stage of life where life is being kind and life is telling me, celebrate Zindagi. But how did it all happen? It happened in such an interesting way. I mean, I can easily recall living on the outskirts of Delhi, almost near Rohtak, studying in a school which was didn't even have desks. There was tat on the floor, not a pakka building. And with a vision that the parents had in mind, my father said, no matter what the circumstances are, no matter what your economical conditions are, no matter what situations you are in, you have to succeed and you have to do well in whatever you're doing presently. And presently, what you're doing is going to be studying and do excellent in this. Like every child, you respect the words of your parents. I do that as well. In all those circumstances, there was only one thing that was clear. It wasn't fermented like this. It wasn't clear like this, that there will be a time to celebrate Zindagi. There will be a time will come where I will be able to tell my story. It wasn't clear. What was clear was, this is something that will allow me to progress. And the only thing that I have in my control, in my hand, is my determination and my hard work. And to cut the long story short, with terrible economical circumstances, गरीबी, poverty, आप imagine नहीं कर सकते. इकोनॉमिकल सर्कमस्टांसेस ऐसे आप सोच नहीं सकते। पढ़ाई की गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में, फर्स्ट क्लास फर्स्ट आया, 5 सब्जेक्ट्स में डिस्टिंक्शन आई, और श्री राम कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स में एडमिशन लिया। फर्स्ट क्लास फर्स्ट, a college that was a dream, still is a dream. It's Shri Ram College of Commerce is India's top #1 college in India, even today. The cutoff percentage mark today is 100%. If you don't have 100% mark, you don't get admission in Shri Ram College of Commerce. Had the great pleasure of not only studying in the midst of such great achiever. These were all my colleagues and classmates and batchmates. Justice Arjun Sikri, our Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, Sports Minister Vijay Goyal, Ryan Karanjewala, famous lawyer, Fashion Design Council President Sunil Sethi, TV personality and a great journalist Rajat Sharma. So many of all these wonderful achievers in diverse fields were either classmates or batchmates. All of us have interesting stories. All of us have interesting way of moving forward. I mean, I had to, walk about 7 to 8 kilometers to get to the nearest bus stop, and then change 3 buses to get to university. Why I'm saying all this is, as I said, hypothetical examples and quotations and quotes from internet and from books don't make sense to me at all. What makes sense to me is stories of real people, people who are achievers like yourself and in the world, So once in that college where I studied in government school on the outskirts of Delhi, where English was taught in Hindi. I do remember, when we were taught Oliver Twist, our teacher would say about 5 or 6 sentences in English and then translate that in Hindi for everyone to understand, because पढ़ाई का माध्यम हिंदी था स्कूल के अंदर. Shri Ram College of Commerce, the whole system of education, the whole system of, teaching, every book, every notes, every detail was in English. Nothing deterred all these great achievers that I mentioned, and many, many others whose names I'm not able to mention. I somehow, when I was in college, मेरा रुझान, मेरा इंटरेस्ट कला की तरफ बढ़ गया. Art was attracting me, calling me, and a time came when I was doing my MCom. I had to take this hard decision that am I going to have my further career based on my academics, or am I going to let my heart rule and go to this career, passion of pursuing something in art? Well, the most easiest thing to do was to continue and to look for a career based on my academics. When you are MCom from Shri Ram College of Commerce, you get a job just like that, instantly, in a bank, in a financial institution, or even you get to be a professor in the same college. I went to Bombay to pursue my passion for art. I had never seen Bombay before. I'd only seen in one movie, Juhu Beach का जिंदगी कैसी है पहेली, राजेश खन्ना साहब की फिल्म में वो जुहू बीच दिखाते थे, बस वही देखा था. Once I was in Delhi, in Mumbai, I realized that I made a very difficult decision, and my background of education helped me to understand and decipher this, that I must be a formally trained actor. I must understand this line of work, this business. And I enrolled into an acting school headed by the biggest acting guru of India, Professor Roshan Taneja Saab, whose students are Jaya Bahaduri ji, Shabana Azmi ji, Nasiruddin Shah, Shatrughan Sinha, Om Puri, and many others. My classmates, batchmates in acting school were Anil Kapoor, Mazhar Khan, Madan Jain, and various others. Once in that acting school, Zindagi was again saying, there's nothing else that is in your control. There's nothing else that you can really regulate, predict. There's nothing else that you can do except for giving your best to this. And that's what I did. I excelled with sheer determination, hard work in the class. So much so, my professor, Roshan Taneja Saab, gave me a job as an acting teacher in the same school that not only allowed me to be in constant touch with my chosen craft, with my chosen profession, acting, it also gave me some money to survive. And I made a very difficult decision of going to be trying as a baddie, as a villain in the films. If you look at the movies at that time, or even today, you know, all the legendary great villains have very threatening personality. They're taller, they're bigger, they're huge, they're very, they look it. I had none of it. I still don't have it. I looked like a midget in front of them. People said, this is a bad decision you've made. You can never succeed as a villain, as a bad guy, because you need to be 6 feet and over, and you need to have muscles, and you need to be looking like this. Zindagi said, एक ही चीज आती है, हार्ड वर्क, कर्तव्य. पर्सनली थ्रेटनिंग दिखने से कुछ नहीं होगा. स्क्रीन पर वो कैरेक्टर दिखने से होगा. I worked on each and every character that was given to me. And I made those 7 feet tall, big, muscular guys look like midget in front of me when I came on screen. Eventually, some of them were forced to play second villain to me, or were forced to play, like roles that were secondary. Only because I said, this is the only thing I know, hard work. God was kind. Life was allowing me to have everything that would say, now is the time to celebrate Zindagi. Gulshan Grover, a big star, a household name. All the smaller aspirations, bigger aspirations were being met, was making money, name, fame, everything, buying a house, car, beautiful clothes, everything. But no, I thought all that was just ek padav tha. It was just one sort of, one destination or one achievement. No actor from commercial cinema at that time ever thought of going into Hollywood or into international films. Mind you, the actors from commercial cinema were not considered of international exposure. The actors from parallel cinema, from theater, were considered serious actors and were considered uh, capable of working in international films, being part of Hollywood, and this, that, and the other. When somebody came from outside of India to look at Indian talent, the actors from commercial cinema or even the directors or writers were not really mentioned or talked about. I said, this is incorrect. Just because we are more successful, just because we are more popular, that does not make us any lesser capable. Went to Hollywood to try and work in films there, almost 30 years back. Faced a whole lot of ridicule back in the business with the media and many colleagues. Very great difficulty in opening a door there because I said, I'm not leaving and coming to work here. I want to make a transition from one film industry to the other. And that was never done. There were problems like Indian accent. There were problems like, if you want to work here, you have to be available to us, you have to live here, and you have to be available to us for auditions. None of that worked for me because I had 40 films at any time in Bollywood. And with constant hard work, that is the only thing I knew. It took me a lot of time to convince them that maybe our flight is longer, but I will come from India and work in your film and go back to my movies. Go back to where I live, from where I am, where I get a lot of affection, love, everything, and I have a huge career. Accent, yes. If we can, as an actor, play a Gujarati accent, Marathi accent, Bihari accent, sure. Definitely worth working, worth learning, worth, sort of giving attention to. Auditions, I don't believe in it. I've done, at that time, today I've done over almost 450 films. Thank you. At that time, I'd done maybe over 200 films. And I said, I have so much of work that you can see and judge whether I'm capable of being in your film or whether I suit the part. But can I act? It's too late now. Yes, I can act. I've made a huge career name by acting in hundreds of films, and which many of the Hollywood actors would not even get to work in their entire life. They get to work in 30 films, 40 films, 50 films, till the end of their career. Worked hard. In fact, a large part of struggle happened there constantly. Convinced them that if a French actor, Jean Reno from France, can come and work in Hollywood and go back to France, if Hugh Grant can come from England and work in a film and go back to British films, if Australian actor Nicole Kidman and various others can work in a Hollywood film and go back to Australia. Jackie Chan was nowhere on the scene at that time, but presently, like how Jackie Chan works in Chinese films, works in Hollywood and goes back. All those examples and continuously working with them, making them understand, resulted in what I said right at the start, that I created a mud path of transition between Bollywood and Hollywood, and I'm very happy that it is being cemented and followed and made more strong. And once our younger actors decide to pursue and walk on this path, we will make it a freeway between the entertainment industry of India and the rest of the world. This gives me a chance to truly celebrate my zindagi, to truly look at zindagi with a positive attitude, and to sit down and decipher and think and analyze that against all odds, not looking 7 feet, not looking the villain that we see on screen, not having studied, in a Hindi medium school and going to Los Angeles and working in Hollywood films and various other countries and various other places, and expanding it to various countries. I learned from people around me. Each one of you, each one of the person that I encountered, each one of the person that I not only encountered at a conference where the intention was to learn, but even in a train station, bus station, restaurant, even from a waiter, a colleague, someone that initially said something very annoying, and learned from all those people, learned from all these wonderful experiences and encounters of zindagi, and imbibed in me. Otherwise, I am a story of a normal, regular, ordinary, average person that you see on the street, that you see in a mall, that you see in a restaurant or at a bus stop, and you don't even turn and take a notice of that person. That is how ordinary, average person, average personality, average everything, and in fact, terribly, difficult economical circumstances I had. But learning from real people, learning from real experiences, learning from real things and people around you that you encounter has made my zindagi worth celebrating. Thank you.
Gulshan ji, with your kind permission, I would like to ask you some questions which have come from the audience.
Sure.
और सर थोड़ी आपकी स्टाइल में हिंदी में जवाब देंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा.
अरे जैसे आप कहें भाई.
आपका बेस्ट कैरेक्टर रोल कौन सा था आज तक?
जब एक्टर कहते हैं कि मेरा बेस्ट रोल ये था, दरअसल वो बेस्ट इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाता है इस बात से कि उस रोल से बहुत सक्सेस मिली, उस रोल से बहुत अवार्ड्स मिले, या उस रोल से बहुत तरक्की हुई. जब हम करते हैं पिक्चर में काम तो सभी रोल बेस्ट होते हैं, बेस्ट इंटेंशन से किए जाते हैं. जैसे मेरी फिल्म राम लखन ने मुझे केसरिया ये तो फेल हो गया, उसने मुझे पॉपुलर कर दिया तो मेरे लिए बेस्ट हो गया. फिल्म शोला और शबनम ने, जिसमें मैंने हमारा नाम काली है, जबान भी हमारी काली है, हम जो कहा देते हैं वो हो जाता है, उसने मुझे पॉपुलर कर दिया. फिल्म सर, छप्पन टिकली, विश्वात्मा, तपस्वी गुंजाल, मेरी तरह विशुद्ध भारतीय सज्जनों, तो ये सारी चीज़ें का कॉम्बिनेशन बेस्ट बना देता.
This is what makes him a villain who is loved. Sir, an incident in your life which you found most interesting during your movie career?
एक इंसिडेंट नहीं, मेरी तो जिंदगी का सार ही यही है कि असली एनकाउंटर्स, असली इंसिडेंट, असली लोगों से बहुत सीखा. तो रोज़ाना जिंदगी में आप सीखते हैं. जैसे मैंने इतने सारे महान कलाकारों से, किसी से एक्टिंग सीखी, किसी से किस प्रकार से सेट पर पेशेंस रखनी है, किस प्रकार से अपने आप को और ज़्यादा बेहतर बनाना है, सीखा. अमिताभ बच्चन जी से ना सिर्फ एक्टिंग सीखी बल्कि किस तरह से वंडरफुली डिग्निफाइड बिहेवियर, ऑन द सेट बिहेवियर, ये सब सीखा। किस प्रकार से ग्रेट एक्टर्स, चाहे वो क्या कहते हैं कि वंडरफुल विलन्स, प्राण साहब, अजीत साहब, अमरीश पुरी जी, अमजद खान साहब, डैनी जी, ये सब वंडरफुल विलन से न सिर्फ मेरे काम के संदर्भ में उनसे कलाकारी सीखी, तो इंसिडेंट तो हज़ारों हैं जी।
सर, आपका इंट्रोडक्शन देने के लिए मैं कई दिन से कोशिश कर रहा था कि आपकी तरफ बोलने की कोशिश करूं, लेकिन नहीं कर पाया।
अरे कमाल कर रहे हैं आप।
लोगों से एक फरमाइश आई है, दे वांट टू लिसन टू वन ऑफ योर डायलॉग्स।
बैड मैन, सपना, शंकर बिहारी को तो तेरे साथ गाना गाना है। जिंदगी का मजा तो खट्टे में है। दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो गया। माया, तेरी तो मैं पलट दूंगा काया। मेरी तरह विशुद्ध भारतीय सज्जनों, आज हमने आप सबके मनोरंजन के लिए भारत देश से एक अबला नर्तकी को बुलाया है। मैं हूं तपस्वी गुंजाल।